Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the chapter Law and Social Justice from our civics book. Chapter number 10 Law and Social Justice. Enforcement of law is needed by each and everyone, and justice is also needed by each and everyone. A person is rich or poorer, doesn't matter. So, we will take few examples of that. Workers are paid with low wages or sometimes no wages. Yes, it is true. More work is taken from the workers, but the wages are low. Children are treated very badly in the factories, but child labor should be abolished. Beauty of Taj is going away. That should not be there. The concerned person have to take care. Bhopal tragedy. Now we will talk about Bhopal tragedy took place where there were few laws protecting the environment in India. This tragedy was very much hazardous. Mother lost an apple of an eye. Mother lost his son or daughter in that case. Many children face the eye problem because this was a factory of pesticides. People are leaving their home. Yes, the peoples are leaving their home because due to the establishment of industries in that area, we are missing. Children's future is missing in that. Children are not getting each and everything. Transfer and migration of people from one place to another leads to the missing of their children. Yes, the people want justice. Justice, why they want justice? Because it is needed by each and everyone. Problems are many. Child labor, gas tragedy, flood victim, etc. Child labor should not be there. Gas tragedy compensation should be given to everyone. Think who will help and take care? Yes, the question arises. So it is the responsibility of a government and a concerned person to take care of each and everything. If a common people is suffering in an country, so he or she should be get the compensation and the thing. So now the next topic comes. So what is government? A government is a maker executor of a law. It's a duty of the government to keep a check on the companies and the work doing around. The people are obeying the laws or not. It is all the responsibility of a government. How a government can help? Yes, it is true that the government can help the people living in our country. Now we will talk about law. A law can help, a law can protect, a law can provide safety to customers. Yes, it is the responsibility of a law to provide safety to the customers. If a person is obeying the law, so he or she should obey the law. A role of government. The role of the government is to see the activities of private companies, society, communities by enforcing and upholding laws. The people are obeying the laws or not. What are the private companies doing? Society, what is going in the society? Everything is done by the government. Because government is a maker, executor of law. The government itself make the law and also executes the law. Do you think making laws are sufficient? No, making thing cannot be sufficient until and unless we will implement it. Thank you very much.